So x is equals to cos inverse of 1 by root 1 plus t square, y is equals to sin inverse of 1 by root 1 plus t square. We need to find dy by dx. Y and x are not directly connected. Y and x are connected with some other parameter t. Okay, but if we move with the parametric differentiation with respect to t, again it is a bit complicated. Okay, actually the problem is simple. To avoid much and more steps, I will just take t is equals to tan theta. I am trying to convert the problem completely into theta. Actually the given parameter is t. Now try to convert it into theta. If t is equals to tan theta, what will happen? If t is equals to tan theta, 1 plus t square is 1 plus tan square theta, which is secant square theta. So square root of 1 plus tan t square is simply secant theta. Since square root of 1 plus t square is secant theta, now you just think about x. X is equals to cos inverse of 1 by secant theta. X is equals to cos inverse of 1 by secant theta is nothing but cos inverse of cos theta, and so it is theta. So x is equals to theta. Okay. Now what you say about y? Y is equals to sin inverse of, again we have 1 by root 1 plus t square. Since root 1 plus t square is secant theta, 1 by secant theta is cos theta. This is cos theta. Sin inverse of cos theta. That sin inverse of cos theta can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus theta. Is it right? What you said? Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now this sin inverse and sin gets balanced. You left with pi by 2 minus theta. Now finally, y is pi by 2 minus theta, x is theta. Our task is to find dy by dx, right? That means d by d theta. Why? Because x is theta, replace x with theta, and y is pi by 2 minus theta. So dy by dx is nothing but derivative of this pi by 2 minus theta with respect to theta. Since pi by 2 is a constant, its derivative is 0 with respect to theta, and for minus theta, the derivative with respect to theta is minus 1. So finally, minus 1 is the answer. Since minus 1 is a constant, it is independent of the parameter t as well theta. So nothing is here to change the answer. So minus 1 is dy by dx. Okay, have a look. This is the smart way to answer this problem.